don't know if it's a sciatic thing I got one going on right now. Man, I'm getting this shooting pain in the left side of my butt. It's making it really hard to push out the miles like I did yesterday. The terrain is starting to change. There's actually trees now. Welcome change. No longer just flat. Getting in the zone and messing around and almost missed the state sign. I made it to Fort Stockton, Texas yesterday, and that was the goal, was to make 1,000 miles, and I did. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to give you an update last night because the battery on the stupid GoPro pretty much died. And by the time I got here, I just decided to check in and take a shower and pretty much go straight to the bed. So I'm up and at 'em. The goal today is to get as close to Florida as possible. I don't know if I can do another 1,000-mile day, but I'm gonna try to shoot for it. So take you guys with me and let's see how it goes today. Let's get it. Crazy, I didn't realize how open this was because it was like pitch black when I got here. Let's get some gas and hit the road. We're in Ozana, Texas. Just knocked out 106 miles. Feeling good so far. My calves are feeling a little tense right now. I think it's because of the way I've been riding. They're just a little sore basically. So other than that, I feel pretty good. Gonna keep on pushing through and just keep on knocking out miles. Nothing new to really report other than my calves. So let's see how the rest of this day goes. Let's keep going. Walls of flame surround me. My mind can tear them down. The terrain is starting to change. There's actually trees now. Welcome change. No longer just flat. Desolation, constant condemnation, mental So I'm about 500 miles in, I believe, and I'm about to hit Houston. After Houston, probably maybe 100 more miles, and then I'll be in Louisiana. It's been shitty all day, and the weather hasn't been great. It's just been like overcast, basically cloudy the whole time, which is kind of fine. But the thing that really sucks right now is just there's a lot of people on the road. So it's not really conducive to like smashing weather right now. Like I'm constantly trying to zigzag through traffic, and yesterday was perfect. I was able to do 90, 100. A lot of times right now I'm dropping down to 80, dropping down to 75.
So, you know, when you've been smashing for a whole day, those speeds seem like if you're running, like it's really slow. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up the sandwich. Show you guys another little bite there. For a gas station? For a gas station, that's not bad. Well, we are in Texas, so. Man, I don't know if it's a sciatic thing I got going on right now. Man, I'm getting this shooting pain in the left side of my butt. It's making it really hard to push out the miles like I did yesterday. Just trying to power through it, you know? So that was the Texan. Like I said, for a gas station, food was really good. So I just drove through Houston, and I have about 100 miles left until we get to the state line of Louisiana. So far so good. Yeah, so basically we're gonna hit the state line and then figure out where we're gonna stay, because I don't think I'm gonna push that much further. My butt's talking to me today, so we'll see where we end up. Let's get it.
It's not often the GPS gets me lost. On this actual occasion, it made me get off the freeway so that I can get a picture of the state sign. And state sign was not there, so I had to make my way back to the freeway. But it was cool to see all the greenery.
Made it to Lafayette, Louisiana. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I believe I am. Came, checked into a hotel, did about 700 miles today, I believe. So my butt was talking to me today. My calves were talking to me today for some weird reason. I think it's the way that my feet are being positioned, but I was stretching them out a lot. But that was okay. The butt issue, I think I'm sore because I run that air hawk. I have a feeling I might have had too much air, and what it was doing is pushing pressure in a weird area of my butt, and it was like kind of causing like maybe like hitting a nerve or something. So that wasn't too fun. So I depleted all the air and then pretty much kept riding. So 700 miles is still a good push for the day. It's funny because I didn't really even make an effort, and I got really far into Louisiana, so I'm almost halfway through. So I'll be in Florida by tomorrow. So now I'm just kind of figuring out where I'm gonna go. Um, hotel here, as you can see by the decor, it's not the best. I usually don't stay in the best, but I usually don't stay in crap holes, as they would say. Trying not to cuss for YouTube, but this place is it's been a mission to get this place. So one of the first issues I had was that I unpacked all my stuff, came to get my room, and then the room did not open. So all that stuff that I unpacked from my bike, I had to walk all the way to the front desk because I didn't want to load it back on my bike. Couldn't leave it because I'm not in a very nice part of Louisiana, I would assume, based on the individuals that are surrounding the building. But yeah, had to walk all the way back. Gave me another key, and then I made it. So it's all good. I'm here. I'm good. I'm gonna go to sleep and get back on the road tomorrow. All right. See you guys tomorrow.